the same time in out your breast.
9, 10.
That's really try you feel the pain.
It's painful actually.
It's
Stop.
painful. Yeah.
5 seconds rest.
Oh, it's painful.
You feel the pain, then all the effects. We are doing it right. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How many?
30.
Right, coach.
You are not bringing your head to the like you're committing the leg and this yes, sir.
It's called Cantus. In the mosque.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Took space out, so you're not kicking too much. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3,
Sideways.
4, 5, 6,
So guys, raise them legs.
7,
Non-stop.
9, 10,
Come on, guys.
11,
Nobody dies.
12,
Nobody leaves, bro.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Reza.
18,
You're all like
19,
me. Reza.
10, 9,
Nice one, bro. Come on. Finish, man. Nobody dies. Pain, okay. One. Good stuff. Nice one.
Nice one. So, 5, 3, 2, 1. So, going this way. Another 30. So you have to do it right. 3, 2, 1. Go. Let's go. 1, 2,
Raise it up.
3.
Above the ground. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Oh, but you do away with the sound of the moves.
Do it right.
Yes, coach.
Raise it.
Raise it.
I can be the dance. Adam, I can be the dance.
Nice one.
So everybody down. Everybody go down.
Well done.
Everybody bend down low.
Should we choose partners? We are going down. You know, like if you just say don't tell me, I'm saying the pastor. They are not telling me, I say I'm the pastor.
So we're going. Nigeria twist. I beg, no do Nigeria twist, so.
This one a Russian twist.
So,
Puti twist, puti up.
so we're going.
20 is too small.
150.
Suspend your leg.
Bring up. Balance your nyash. Set your waist.
Your leg.
People that have big nyash, this one will help you.
Balance your leg.
And I should balance on the ground.
Up. Then to the side. Six.
Well done, coach. Too easy, man.
Tell you, when that was
Seven. Don't give up.
Come on! 8, 7, 6, 5,
Good.
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! 0. Mama, you chose.
Abino Sheka.
Abino Sheka.
Another set. Then 3, 2, 1. Suspend.
Let's go!
Enjoy it.
Smile to it. Chop it raw. Chop it and drink water.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Hold the foot. Hold the foot.
The last set.
Everybody guys.
5, 3 sets. This is the last one. 2, 1. Suspend. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10,
Easy stuff, baby.
9.
Stop it. Abino Sheka. Which power are you using? Which power are you using? Abino Sheka. Nice one. Listen up! Listen up!
Then you suspend. We are going for 53 sets.
Let's see, please.
50 reps.
3 sets.
3 sets. So 5 seconds rest. 5, 4, 3 seconds. 1. So let's go. Suspend.
Go down.
Don't cross your leg.
Spread it widely.
Enjoy it.
Spread it widely.
Enjoy it. It's very, very easy.
That's the fun. That's the fun. Pain is the fun. Pain is the fun, bro.
After this,
Come on, guys. It's easy.
How many seconds?
Hey,
So let's count.
hey,
1, 2,
hey,
we don't stop.
4.
hey.
5, 6,
Not like that.
9,
Leg up, leg up.
10.
5, 4,
What are you doing?
2,
What are you doing?
Good
stop.
Shaoli temple.
No, if you don't get chicken and beef, no shopper.
Let that one Shaoli temple.
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh yeah, Abino Sheka, use the power.
Yes, I got it. I think I come.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5. Stand up.
Stand up.
2, 3, 2, 1.
This thing is easy. I wonder why you need to do that. Use the power now.
Use Tinubu Sheka. Use Tinubu Sheka.
Use Gargantus.
No, man, use Tinubu Sheka.
Last one, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Come on.
15.
Easy stuff.
Easy stuff.
13. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7.
That your guy that you for follow, because you come and do. That guy where they don't throw your side on. See how he come. See how.
You will not pass now.
Me and my guy for you. No go come you.
So we're doing this. Make sure you raise it.
Partner with your partner.
Where's your partner? You don't start now. You never start.
You never start here.
I know myself.
Partner with your partner.
You're good, are you? Sorry.
Are we ready?
Yes. Yes, Mama.
So we are going 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
We are ready. Should we start?
Wait. We're going. Take your position. Take your position, everybody.
Are we all ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Legs up.
Stretch your leg.
Wait. Now, hands up.
Then go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Another set.
3, 2, and 1.
Nice one. Easy stuff. Too easy.
You try. I hope you are feeling it. Easy, Abby. Easy. I hope you are feeling it. Is it easy? I hope you are feeling it. Not really. You are feeling it. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Easy stuff, Abby. Are you feeling it? I hope you are feeling it. Easy stuff.
Yeah, easy stuff.
Easy stuff.
Don't play.
I hope you are feeling it. Okay. Will you come next Saturday? Okay. That's good.
I run now. I go that side. I go high. Say sun is too much.
I hope you are feeling it, sir. Bros, I hope you are feeling it. Okay. I hope you are feeling it.
Sure. But nobody dies.
Will you come next Saturday?
I'll be here every week.
Okay.
Yeah,
I thought you run away. I hope you are feeling it. Will you come next Saturday?
Okay.
I hope you are feeling it. Will you come next Saturday? Okay. Will you come? That's good.
Nobody died.
Yeah. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. I hope you're feeling it. You're feeling it, Abby? That's good. I hope you're feeling it. This way you're quiet. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is new baby. Okay, baby, you came with your daddy. Are you enjoying yourself? Okay.
Everybody up. 5. Help somebody to get up, sir.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Up.
5.
I can see you are feeling it.
But no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
Yeah.
You are feeling it, Abby? Will you come next Saturday? Bros, how far? How are you feeling now? Okay. All right, that's good. That's the spirit. Sister, how are you? Hope you're feeling the exercise. You come next Saturday, Abby? Beautiful. I hope you're feeling the exercise. You're tired? Do you need water? Look at your water there now.
It's not mine.
Can I borrow you, man?
Let's go there.
I hope you're feeling it.
Go. 2. Go. 9.
Yeah, that's good.
Go.
How you feeling, bro? Well done.
2. 10. Go. 9. Go.
How you feeling, bro? Okay, that's good. How you feeling?
6.
All right. How you feeling?
Go.
How you feeling? Beautiful. How you feeling? You're feeling good. How you feeling? That's good.
3.
How you feeling? All right. How you feeling? Tired? Sorry. How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good. I'm good, man.
All right. La vida. How you feeling? Good. How you feeling? Good. All right. How you feeling? I can see. How you feeling? Okay, that's good. How you feeling, sir? How you feeling? All right. That's good. How you feeling?
Oh my God. I'm exhausted, but we move.
All right, that's good. That's the spirit. How you feeling, sir?
Cool, man.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
9, 8, 7,
How you feeling?
6,
Yes, baby.
go! 3 to go! 2, 1,
Let's go.
How you feeling?
Come on.
go!
Come on. Let's go.
Right to left, left to right.
How you feeling?
Yeah. Out.
Go, 2 more, let's go!
How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Side!
How you feeling? I'm feeling good. I can see. How you feeling? Good. How you feeling? Great. That's good. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Okay, yeah, I've asked you. Yeah, everybody's feeling good. Coach, how you feeling, Coach? All right.
Last one, let's go!
Forward, backward.
Come on, baby.
How you feeling?
Ladies, let your body bounce.
How you feeling?
Bobby bounce.
Nice one.
You are a warrior. Let's go.
How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? That's good. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? All right. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
All right. How you feeling, sir? I can see. That's good. Yes. You are doing well. How are you feeling, sir? How are you feeling? Okay. Well done. How are you feeling, sir? All right. How are you feeling, sir? Well done. But you don't tire. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Well done. Well done. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling relaxed. My palpitations are okay, and I'm ready to go.
Wow. That's good. How are you feeling? But tired. Well done. Alpha, you're just coming. Welcome. Take 5.
You know, my body is like I'm feeling it.
And the girls that want to
Last man standing. Are you ready?
Mountain climbers, your combo workout. So after the workout, we normally will stay there and work out extra 20 minutes. Only for those who want to go, who want more. You want to go extreme, you want to go harder. So you wait behind, we have something for you. 20 more seconds. 18, we're going for a 4x4. Your 4x4 means 4 routines in 4 minutes. 4 routines in 4 minutes. 1 minute jumping.
Let me do exercise too. I want to join the exercise now.
I'm coming up for you. You want to see how your cardio is doing? I'll help you see that. 1 minute,